So there is this breathing technique, is called clarity breathing. And the way it works is you start breathing through your mouth, and you do a deep breath through the mouth, but you breathe actually from your toes. You have to imagine that you're breathing from your toes in a circular motion, coming all the way to your head, and exhaling, going down back to your toe. And it's kind of like in a circular motion, and it has to be consistent. You can't hold the breath, you have to continuously breathe, and you breathe through your mouth, and you kind of surrender in your exhale. You don't force exhale out, you just surrender. And you imagine you're breathing from the toes, coming all the way up, and then going back in a circle. And it's about an hour. The first 15 minutes, you only concentrate on your breathing techniques. And then after that, you think about your goal, and you, whatever comes to you, you can sing, you can move around, you can you start laying down, you can move around, or you can scream, yell, whatever you want to do, you can do to get that negative energy out. And we just had the session, and it was, for me, it was very powerful. Of course, you cry a lot because you don't think a breathing technique can do so much for you, but it's really, you feel a release, and afterwards you feel a sense of calmness in it.